There is one core tenet that is probably the main tenet to every algorithm, which is custom content on a continual basis that keeps people watching it will always kill it in the algorithm. And so a lot of people will create custom content, but they don't do it on a continual basis. And they don't end up allowing that cumulative algorithmic effect to take place, so that when somebody does a query-based search, which is what LLMs are based off of now, you're going to show up for answering, I just got my 4th DUI, what do I do? Or whatever that specific question is for your archetype. So you have to understand that you're building into it. You have to get the algorithms comfortable with you, using you, referring to you, and then you start to see those results. One funny thing that's happening right now, we've had 4 clients who left us a year ago. Not because they hated us, not because of, purely because they're like, we just want to try something else. Because there's a lot of mentality of, well, I'll try this marketing program for a bit, and if it doesn't yield me more cases than I've ever had in my life, then I'll go try this other thing for a bit.